NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a PS5 Sharefactory Studio Bits editor voiceover function. So if you didn't know, voiceover is a function on the Bits options on the Sharefactory. All you need to do is use in the left hand menu on the Bits editor. You just choose whichever function you want, whichever animation you want. I'm just going to go down to quick edit and go to custom bits just so I can choose a different one that's nice and quiet. And I'm going to just choose this clip, which is 13 seconds long, and this is the first bit you come to before you can use the voiceover. You can change the start and end point of your video. Once you've done that, you push the cross button and then it will keep it like that for you. Then you've got all these other options that I've talked about in previous videos, and so check those out if you want more information. So to get started, we push the cross button on the voiceover button there, and it gives us a 5-second countdown to record our commentary. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Okay, so once that's done, it gives us the option of playing the videos in however we want to hear it. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Okay, and then you can change to Echo, Robot, Chipmunk or Walkie-Talkie. So do note, if you don't push the confirm button, so the cross button when you're on that screen, then it won't keep the recording. So you'll see there's nothing there now. So we have to record it again. So push the cross button and then wait for the countdown to again, and then just record your voiceover again. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Let's just choose Echo and push the cross to confirm, and let's play to see what it sounds like with an echo. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Okay, so to edit your Bits voiceover, you just need to go to the right hand side of that voiceover icon and just push the square button, and then that gives you the different options. So you could just change the duration, you could delete the voiceover volume you can change using that button there and just move it up and down to whatever volume you want, or you can change the voiceover effect. You could change it to robot, for example. So let's see what that sounds like. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Top tip for using the chipmunk function is just to say your words a bit slower if you're going to use that, because it does speed it up and it is hard to understand what you're saying if you don't do it slowly.
Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens.
Okay, so hopefully you see what I mean there. So just use your words a bit slower when you're going to use that. The next one is the walkie-talkie. That's absolutely fine, and we'll have a look at that, see what you think, what that sounds like. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Okay, so that's how to add and edit the voiceovers, and I'll show you how to save the Bits video in a second. So first of all, I did try adding more than one voiceover to the clip, and you can certainly do that. Just make sure they're spaced far enough apart, otherwise they will overlap and delete the overlapped voiceovers, so you don't want that. The way to finish is just to push the options button on the controller and go to create bit, and then go to share later, and then when you go to the top, go across to the video editor, and you can either do a new project or it go add to existing project. I've done new project here. Just get rid of all the ticks and then go to most recent, and there is your video just saved there. You can do exactly the same thing when you go into an existing project. Just add the clip there and it will just show the voiceover like this. Welcome to Sleepy Sound, the place where nothing happens. Once you've finished with your project, then just save it like you normally would using the options button on your controller, and then upload it or keep it for another time if you want. Next video is going to be on how to use the Bits doodles. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you don't miss out on future videos like this. Please put any comments in the comments box, and thanks very much for watching. Bye.